From the very beginning, the idea was to develop a building which was very explicitly about a new architectural prototype, which is part landscape, part building.
There's so much about this building as a landform that really excited us as landscape architects and how we work with the architect. We always love to integrate on projects, and this was probably the most integrated process that we've worked on with any architecture firm.
Talley is right behind me. We were working together from get-go, and the lower part of the building, that's the more expressive part in terms of the shaping, etc., came directly from an idea of kind of constructing landscape. And you'll see the roof, and it also brought the landscape up to the freeway, which is the new modern infrastructure.
It was an exploratory process, it was discovery, and it was research, and it was design execution.
Well, the site is intended to be sort of an abstract representation, a cross-section of Texas landscapes. So if you move from one region to the next, as you move around the building, you're almost moving from one region to the next region of Texas. So we start on the plinth roof with kind of an abstract of West Texas. If you've ever been to Big Bend, it's kind of the idea there. And as you move down the slope of the roof, it's kind of more the lowlands, kind of central Texas. Keep moving around, and the area you see here is kind of an abstract of the Blackland Prairie like we have here in North Texas, the rolling prairie and grasses. And then you continue around the building, you get to kind of an abstract of East Texas forest. We've got oaks and bur oaks and white oaks, chinkapin oaks, cedar elms that you would find in the East Texas forest. Then there's also a water feature, a pond. It's kind of an abstract of Caddo Lake, if you will. It's got bald cypress and the big knobby knees growing up out of the water.
A project like this, you're never sure exactly how it's going to come out. I mean, you model it, you see it, you understand it from a 3D standpoint, but to see it all in place and watch it happen on a daily basis over time is really the excitement in the profession in terms of what I do and really why I do it. Today when I walked up and saw the school kids on the playground and how they animated that space. From a design standpoint, it's all about space and experience and exciting your imagination. We deal with the senses, and if we're good at it, we make the experience one of a kind.